Your entry door does more than allow access to your home. It serves as the focal point of your exterior, enhances security, and contributes to energy efficiency and comfort. However, when it's time for a replacement, many homeowners worry about cost. The good news? There are affordable entry door replacement options that deliver style, performance, and value without breaking the bank. For Redmond homeowners, selecting the right door and installation option can transform the heart of your home while staying within budget. Why consider entry door replacement in Redmond before exploring affordable options? It's helpful to understand why entry door replacement matters. Security. A sturdy, properly installed door protects your home and loved ones. Energy efficiency. Well-sealed doors help reduce drafts and lower heating and cooling costs, especially important in Redmond's variable climate. Curb appeal. The entry door is one of the first things visitors and buyers notice, affecting overall home aesthetics and value. With these benefits in mind, focusing on affordable replacement options becomes more than a cost-cutting measure, it's a smart investment. Vinyl entry doors. Budget-friendly and low-maintenance vinyl entry doors are among the most affordable entry door options available. They resist moisture, won't warp, and require very little maintenance, which is ideal for Redmond's mix of seasons. Why Redmond homeowners like vinyl doors? Cost-effective. Vinyl doors are typically less expensive than wood or fiberglass while still offering solid performance. Durability. They stand up well to moisture and temperature changes. Easy upkeep. No need for regular painting or sealing. For Redmond homeowners seeking a balance of affordability and durability, vinyl entry doors are a top choice. Steel entry doors. Affordable strength and security steel doors are another budget-friendly option, known for their strength and security features. While slightly heavier and less decorative than other materials, they provide excellent performance for their price. What makes steel doors a smart value? Excellent security. Steel is tough and difficult to breach, giving homeowners peace of mind. Insulation options. Many steel doors come with insulating cores that help improve energy efficiency. Lower upfront cost. Steel doors are often more affordable than high-end wood or fiberglass options. In Redmond, where security and energy efficiency matter, steel entry doors offer reliable performance at an accessible price point. Fiberglass doors with cost-conscious features. While traditionally more expensive, fiberglass doors can be surprisingly affordable when you choose simpler designs. These doors mimic the look of wood but don't require the same maintenance. Benefits for Redmond homes. Resilience. Fiberglass resists rotting, warping, and cracking. Visual appeal. Even lower-priced fiberglass doors offer a refined appearance. Energy savings. Good sealing helps reduce drafts and improve indoor comfort. For homeowners willing to spend a bit more upfront for durability and aesthetics, entry-level fiberglass doors represent strong long-term value. Factory-finished options save time and money. Choosing factory-finished doors can reduce both labor costs and timeline. These doors arrive pre-painted or pre-stained, cutting down installation time and eliminating the need for on-site finishing. Advantages include consistent quality. Factory finishes are often more durable than field finishes. Installation efficiency. Less time on site equals lower labor expenses. Wide choices. Many affordable styles are offered with factory finishes. In Redmond, this is a smart way to add style without adding cost. Professional installation versus DIY. What's best? Entry door installation isn't just about setting a door in place. Proper installation ensures tight seals, correct alignment, and long-lasting performance. While DIY can seem more affordable, it's worth considering professional installation for these reasons. Energy performance. Proper sealing helps prevent drafts and energy loss. Security. Accurate installation supports lock and hardware performance. Longevity. A well-installed door reduces long-term problems and repair costs. For Redmond homeowners, the slight extra investment in professional installation usually pays off through better performance and fewer issues. Getting the most for your budget. Affordable entry door replacement doesn't mean sacrificing quality. By choosing smart materials like vinyl or steel, considering pre-finished models, and investing in professional installation, you can improve security, comfort, and curb appeal without overspending. For Redmond homeowners, upgrading your entry door is a practical, value-boosting home improvement that enhances both your everyday living experience and your home's long-term appeal.